Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 2000 Toyota Estima. It comes with 67,692 miles. It is powered by the reliable 3-liter 6-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. This vehicle is 4-wheel drive. It does come with 2 front doors, 2 rear sliding doors, and a rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle, starting with the driver's side door. All right, let's go ahead and take a look. Oops, sorry about that. Take a look at the dash of the vehicle. Let's start with this one right here first on the bottom. As y'all can see, all the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away once you start the vehicle. Now we're going to take a look up here. The number that you're seeing up top, 108,942, that is the kilometers. The miles again is 67,692. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We'll start on the driver's side. You'll have to bear with me. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com. Or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any of y'all's questions. Thank y'all so much for the continual support. We truly appreciate each and every one of y'all. It does mean the world to us. I pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.